In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the HubSpot Meetings API in just 10 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to streamline your scheduling processes, this guide will walk you through how to set up your meetings efficiently. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot trial guide. You can find it easily by searching your browser or using a direct link to the trial guide on HubSpot's Sales Hub professional page. Once you're on this page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Having a solid grip on where everything is will make the process a lot smoother. Next, direct your attention to the Meeting Scheduler. Clicking on this section will lead you to your primary hub for scheduling meetings through HubSpot. You'll notice a variety of options here, but for now, we'll focus on the essentials. Feel free to explore later, but keeping track of your main goal will help you manage your time better during the session. Once you've clicked on Meeting Scheduler, you'll need to click on the Get Started button. This will be a new setup if this is your first time here, and clicking Get Started initializes your setup process. Don't worry if it feels a bit daunting. Just follow along and we'll get through it together. This section often provides useful tips and hints, so if you see any pop-ups, take note of them as they can provide additional context. Now that we're moving forward, the next step is to create your scheduling page. This part is crucial as it forms the basis of how you'll organize your meetings. Click on Create Scheduling Page. Here you'll be asked to enter some key details about your meetings, such as availability times and meeting duration. Make sure these fit your personal schedule. This personalization ensures that your meetings align with your commitments and reduce the risk of double booking. The final step for today involves navigating to the one-on-one link. By clicking on one-on-one, you're setting up a scheduling link for individual meetings. This is especially useful for tailoring meeting times to specific clients or colleagues, providing a more personalized touch to your communications. You can customize the meeting link with a unique name and then share it with anyone you wish to book a meeting with you. And there you have it. You've just set up your HubSpot meeting scheduler and created a personalized link for one-on-one meetings. Take a moment to review everything and ensure that all settings align with your needs. Remember, the more you practice using these tools, the more efficient your scheduling process will become. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow with HubSpot.